Here is an Endurance new universal bathroom fan replacement electric motor kit with fan. This was purchased because I don't know how to measure. And I thought about sending it back, but I only paid $14 for it. It's probably going to cost, because this is relatively heavy, so it's probably going to cost like $6 or $8 to send it back. So I'd be out $8. And knowing me, I'll find some use for this thing in the future and then be mad that I send it back. So I guess I'll just cut the losses and keep it. But while I have it, I guess I got to do a video of it. So here we go. Just plug it in here and there it goes. It's actually a lot quieter than I was expecting it to be. Pushes a decent amount of air too. I guess they get louder when they're within the cheap plasticky enclosures that the exhaust fans they are made of. Of course, only time will tell how long it's going to last, but it actually seems like a relatively well-made motor. You can see there's clearly some lubricant in there. Oh, it's not showing up in the video, but I can kind of see there's some lubricant in there. And it spins very freely. So, you know, maybe this isn't all that bad of a motor. I don't know. Well, whatever. I'm sure I'll find something to do with it.